species means it's a group of organisms belonging to same group of organisms who can interbreed among themselves, and who can produce viable offsprings, fertile offsprings. So this is the condition if you want to say with respect to a species. So how we can just justify this? Let's say for example a tiger is there and another tiger is there. So when a tiger, when it mates with another tiger, so then we will get another small tiger. So this is a fertile offspring. Okay, so this kind of thing, like they are interbreeding among themselves and they are producing fertile offsprings. The condition is that. Okay, and how can we justify this in other way? For example, like you may have an example, like let's say you may cross the horse with donkey. So when horse is crossed with donkey, so then you will get mule. Good. So Kachar, something. So mule is a sterile offspring. It's a sterile offspring. You cannot call horse and donkey as one species because first condition is fulfilled, interbreeding has been done. But what about fertile offspring? This mule is a fertile offspring. So you cannot call horse and donkey as one species. Rather, if you say for example tiger and tiger giving a fertile offspring is a species. So tiger species, lion species, horse species, or like your deer species or anything. So species means this condition should be done.